24 Sonata. And we're taking the dash off. Driver's dash. Lower dash. Because we already took it off. One screw behind this trap door. As we do most. Pop this guy off. I used something similar to, I lost it somewhere. Where you at, buddy? There you are. This guy. Right between the crack. Pop them out. Screw. Same tool. Pop this trap door down. And another screw. Now, I only removed this. Why? Because it makes it easier to grab and pull it out. That's all. And that's why. This over here, you gotta be careful because this does stay. This one stays. So as you pull this side off, this guy got gnarled because why? It's completely different than these guys. So this might stay on you. So with a handy dandy tool like this, I'll get up under if it wants to not play so nice. But look at this. Look at this thing all gnarled up. Why? I don't know. Ask Hyundai. And then pull this guy out. Come on. Unplug. There's your fuse box. So, there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.